Is that her? How'd you go? My kitchen where I ate so much kimchi. My couch.
And what's special?
The table where we had lots of yummy food. My bed.
Did you get the sheets?
Yeah. The balcony. The balcony that we met across from. Show your balcony. There he was. All done. 11 months. Look how beautiful she is. Julian used to bring me these donuts in the morning when he liked me. I feel like I've had a massive morning already, and it's like 10:30 a.m. because this morning I had to go and take my key back to the building manager, and she had to check over the apartment to make sure I did no damage. So fingers crossed my deposit comes through, because that would be really nice. I could use that. I went to my favorite cafe, the one that I first went to when I moved here, almost every single day. And now I have to finish unpacking everything here, which is gonna be a task. Right now there's a toilet brush in the middle of our kitchen. Not great. Not really the vibe we're going for. That's the mission. Right now I'm just trying to cool down. The kitchen's a disaster. We keep saying we're not going to let it get this messy and that we should clean as we go. And then one of us will make a very elaborate dish that requires way too many elements. And now this is what we're left with. Everyone, if I go missing, it's Julian's fault.
Wow.
Because he needs to try out his walking tracks before taking me. So if we die
Beautiful though.
or we get lost.
Look at all the greenery.
You said that as there was a metal and concrete thing. Where's the flashlight? Oh, it's the car. You stop filming because there's going to be a really bad hill.
No. I never walked this way.
This is what I'm saying. You need to test out your tracks. No one's going to be able to hear me. This is why I need a little mini mic. Why didn't we bring water?
Good question.
We've got Coke and gummy worms. There's a bunch of jiggers. So far not dead. Have gone rock climbing.
Well, the park was closed and we saw police there, so we trespassed just a little bit. Now we're trying to find something else.
Yeah. At least we've got some nice views.
Look at this view.
Wow. Julian's abandoned me again. That's fine. I'll keep up.